Hey, what's going on everyone? Yusuf from Floori here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to take your pre-cropped planks and get them prepared for upload into our Floori portal. So as you may know, the actual images that you upload into Floori portal all have to be the same dimensions. But of course, we know that plank-based flooring often varies in length. So they're obviously usually in random lengths. And so I'm going to show you exactly how we typically take care of that, and should give you a good framework for how you should do it as well. So what you're going to want to do right off the bat is you're going to want to basically take the ratio of your height to width on your longest board in your particular product. So for example, the example I'm going to go over today, the longest lengths are 45 inches, and then the width is 7 inches. So let me show you what that comes out to. So we do 45 divided by 7 comes out to 6.42. So that's our ratio from width to height. Now, just to make it easy, I just make the width 100. I just multiply that by 10 or by 100 for the height, so 642. Now this is now that I've got this, I can actually have my template Photoshop canvas that I can use to create all my different planks. So this is what we're going to do. What you're going to do is now you're going to add in all the different plank images that you've pre-cropped into this Photoshop file. And then what we've got here is, so obviously it'll look like this. It'll look empty. And then what you're going to do is one by one, we're going to arrange these to fit into the view, and then we're going to render these clips, these images. So having trouble with that one. So yeah, these are our pre-cropped images that we've already cropped out, and we'll arrange it like this. For example, I mean, if you have random length boards and maybe let's say you don't have any short ones, maybe then you're going to want to do something more equitable, like a half and half split. And then what you do is just go in, export this as PNG, and basically we would do this over and over again with all the different planks to make sure we got enough representation of our images. That's really only if they're not full planks, because a lot of them I think you'll find are going to be full planks. But if they're not full planks, you're going to have to combine them with other previous planks, use them partially, render that out, and then upload them to Floori. So now the end product, let's go over what the end product should actually look like. So the end product here should look something like this, right? In terms of what you're actually uploading, you want to be uploading a bunch of images like this here. So obviously you can see that I took partial boards and included them, but they're all the same width and the same height. That way, that's just how Floori works. And so from there, what we're going to do is, let me just quickly show you that process of uploading, although it is very straightforward. I do want to just quick go over that with y'all. So what we're going to do here is we are going to just going to log into my template account here that I have. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a floor. And we select the floor type, engineered hardwood, you have the name, right? You can name it whatever you want, of course. The SKU number here, and the description. So there are a few mandatory fields that we require, and so you just fill those out. Once you've done that, you choose a preview picture or drag it here, or drag your photo here. So I'm just going to go and pick one of these particular plank images. If you have a thumbnail of a larger room scene, or if you have a room scene, or if you have a large panel image, that also works there as well. Next, what we're going to do here is add the dimensions of the material, the real life dimensions. And so what I think you'll find is that this says width and height, and what you might initially think to do is you might want to put your width as 7 inches and your height as 48 inches. But the thing is that if we are uploading these images, they consider the width to be horizontal. So what that means is that we actually have to swap these. So this is going to be 48 or 45, excuse me. This is going to be 7. We're going to change the unit to inches, and then we're going to hit save. We're going to select the different patterns that this product could actually be laid in, and then we're going to hit save. We're going to go into the next section, which is the tile section, which really is just where you add all your different textures. And so all we're going to do is we're going to actually just select all these. We're going to upload these, and I'm not going to go over the upload process because it's going to take a little bit too long, but basically once you select and upload these all, you'll instantly be able, and once you click accept, you'll actually instantly be able to view them in Floori Lite. So once you launch Floori Lite, by clicking this orange tab, or if you go to your particular link, it will actually be preloaded there for your display. So I can just quickly show you how quickly that was that we were able to turn that around. But the champagne product, I guess we can search it, right? Our handy dandy search button. Champagne. Cool. And there it is. And right in a matter of minutes, we were able to get these products on the portal. And so, yeah, it's that easy. Step 1, make sure your canvas is proportional to your overall longest plank. Then upload all your planks in that Photoshop file. Get them all set up to where you have partial images of some planks and full images of some others, and then upload those all to the Floori portal, and then you're good to go. So, yep, that's all. Just feel free to contact us at hello@floori.io if you guys have any questions, or contact your account representative, and we'll be good to go. Thanks, guys. Bye.